Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use TV camera sharing in Samsung SmartThings app. So let's get started. So to use that, you have to follow this easy step. So first of all, just open your SmartThings. So here you can see in the SmartThings, you have my home. You can just select and you can just manage your locations as well. Okay. So first of all, you will just click on this plus button and add device, and you can just add your device from here. Okay, first camera and other things. Then you will see here your many devices. You can just click on one and you can add them and you can use it. If you see on the devices, you have other devices too. On the live, on the routine, you can set and other things you can do. So if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.